From the break of dawn until the sun sets, I watch the clouds, ever changing in the sky, so brilliant, pure, and white. When I look, I cry, for those that view the rain as only a hassle that wets. There is so much in nature that I have not met. I long for the vision that makes my heart sigh, because out here it's not deceitful nor sly, unlike man, who is nature's only threat. I pity those who have no time for simple joy, too busy, too tired, too old, but they know, by the emptiness inside, they are lost. I will always remember the birth of my boy. Through all his mistakes, still he is as snow, brilliant, pure, and white. He is worth any cost.